Good morning, everyone. This is Info Mutt. And this morning, it is approximately, what time is this? This is, 7:26 in the morning. And I'm out here with my adventures on the barbecue. So today, I am barbecuing. Let me show you a lot of smoke. You see the smoke coming out, right? That's that hickory. That's that hickory wood I put in there. So hold on, folks. Wow, look at that. That is my chicken breast and my hickory wood burning. Let me close it so that I can keep the flavor and the smoke and the heat in. And yep, here's my table, my setup. It's quite neat today. My wood, trash so you can clean up behind yourself. And my seat as usual, where I chill and wait for the food to get done. So today it is chicken breast on the grill and pork. And pork chops. So I'm gonna make this a short video. Maybe, I don't know. I might just, yeah, I'm gonna just cut this video off here. But yeah, that's what I'm cooking today, and I'll include some snapshots of the pork chops. Man, you know they're gonna turn out good because it's on the Weber Master Touch. Look at all that smoke from that hickory. That's good. It's gonna be a good eat today. All right, so please rate, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the video. Give me a thumbs up. And please remember to always treat each other with kindness and respect, because you would want someone to treat you with kindness and respect. Thank you.